Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sassy Shiv Says, and today's video, as you can see, is going to be a huge shopping haul from Just Herbs. So if you want to know what's in my Just Herbs shopping bag, then keep on watching. By the way, this also happens to be one of my most requested videos, as so many of you guys keep on reaching out in DMs and asking me about what I'm shopping on a monthly basis from Just Herbs. So I decided to sort of culminate everything. I had so many empties, I had to restock, and also the juice store is right in the vicinity. It's like a drive away and a quick drive away, that too, and it's huge. They have so many of my favorite products, cult favorites, that I can't wait to take you guys through. So let's dive right in. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to be talking to you guys from Just Herbs that I restock almost the minute the bottle gets over, it's the 100% natural and organic coconut oil. Now this is raw and cold pressed and it's centrifuge extracted. But the best part about this product is that I use it on myself and on my baby Ayanu, who's turned 10 months now, and it also happens to be one oil that you can absolutely trust. It's raw, natural, organic, and it doesn't leave greasiness behind, which is amazing. One small tip from me: if you want to give your regular makeup removers a break, and if you want to invest or look for an option which takes off your makeup without drying your skin, then say hello to Just Herbs Organic Coconut Oil. The next product that we have in here, it's called Tender Touch Body Radiance Oil, and if you are a new mom, you absolutely need this baby in your life. I mean, this is amazing for body massages, and it will instantly tone your skin, it will make it supple, it will add the moisture it needs, and what's more important is that it has a blend of 3 cold pressed vegetable oils, it has aromatic essential oils, and it also has the goodness of Ayurvedic herbs in it. You're absolutely going to love it, and I love its non-sticky formula. So all you mama bears out there, keep in mind that after delivery, so many months and even a year and a half into it, your skin needs extra attention, love and care. Your body and skin is still getting used to and adjust to all the different hormonal changes, and this oil will come really handy. Plus, I love the radiance it adds to my skin. You literally be glowing. The next product, which I absolutely swear by, and it has stuck by my side through my pregnancy and even after delivery, it is Just Herbs Bhringraj Hair Oil. And I love that it has base of cold pressed coconut oils and til oil, and it does wonders for not just for your hair, but I've realized that there was a time in my pregnancy. This again goes out to all you lovely mama bears out there, either you're expecting or delivered, or even if you're just facing hair fall or any hair thinning issues, then this is going to be your go-to product. I discovered during my pregnancy that this oil helps me sleep better. Trust me, I just take few drops, heat them, and then give it a nice massage, rub into my scalp and leave it overnight, and I make sure I apply it all the way till my ends. This product has not just stopped my hair fall and my thinning issues, but I've also seen like I have good volume in my hair. I have good hair growth now, and my hair feels thicker, it has good volume, and it's so lustrous. Consistency is a key with them. All of their products that have worked for me, I make sure that I stick to them, because that's the way I ensure that my hair and my skin stays healthy and happy. Now the next product is the Saptajal meaning 7 waters. It's one of the rare, and I feel like the only organic micellar water that is so soothing on your skin, plus it also tones your skin, and the way it removes makeup, it's so easy. You just need few drops on a cotton, and then you go from the center to sideways, and it won't strip off the natural oils from your skin. So if you're gonna try a 100% Ayurvedic micellar water makeup remover, then say hello to Saptajal. The next product that we have from Just Herbs, which by the way I'm using for the first time, is called Pomegranate Mandarin Pore Refining Tonic. Now this toner is absolutely alcohol free and there's no artificial fragrance in it, and it says here that it suits oily to combination skin, and the expert at the store suggested that I opt for this because I have an oily combination sensitive skin type, and I always use toner before I moisturize my skin before I hit the bed. This is an important part of any skin regime, and this smells heavenly. It really smells amazing. It's relaxing in a way. Pomegranate extract, if you know, is a natural astringent, and it will not only tone and hydrate your skin and nourish your skin, but also take care of your pores. But also this happens to be one of the key ingredients that is used in so many Ayurvedic medicines. Next product by Just Herbs is called the Elixir Facial Serum. It contains Indian ginseng, and this is my absolute go-to product for nighttime skin routine. And many of you all ask me why serums and why not creams. I do use creams as well, but I prefer serums to be included in my nighttime routine. And one of the main reasons being that serums are made of molecules that are smaller than that of creams, and that makes it really easier for serums to penetrate deep into your skin, and it also targets specific skin concerns that you have, which creams cannot. I absolutely love its lightweight formula. It's non-greasy, and this serum will give you long-lasting effects, whether it's for you're looking for anti-aging, deep moisturizing. It will also take care of instant hydration. The next product that I have here, which sort of matches with my Just Herbs bag, it's really cute looking, and I bought it mainly for two reasons. A, I really wanted to try their body washes, and I know that Indian Lotus is known to not only calm your senses, but it is an instant mood lifter. And if you too are a mom who's just delivered and this is your postpartum stage, then I suggest that you do everything that you can to make yourself feel happy. Take those few extra minutes off for yourself, whether it's part-time rituals, skincare, or anything that makes you happy. I'm really looking forward to using this because I believe like de-stressing in these important times is so important. And what if I told you like your body wash can do that? I'm game for it. The next product is called Lively Clean. It's honey exfoliating face cleansing gel. It's suitable for oily to combination skin, and I love the gel-based formula. Other than taking care of your dead skin, this also is so mild and gentle on your skin. I almost felt like I've never really used an exfoliator which is this mild. It's absolutely not harsh at all. The next product is called Eye Clear Nourishing Under Eye Gel, and oh my god, I've traveled with this product to so many destinations. And this one product combines like all my Ayurvedic kitchen nuskas. Like, you know, when we have puffy bags or we feel like under eye area is feeling drier, then you know how they say take your green tea bags and just place them under your eyes, or place cucumber in your eyes. It'll be instantly soothing, pick me up for your eyes. What if I told you this product contains all of those goodness and more? And if you see the ingredients list, I mean, I was game. I was sold then and there. It contains green tea, of course, cucumber. It has sweet almond oil, Indian garden mint, and so many other ingredients like aloe vera juice and glycerine. And it combined does wonders for your under eye area. Say hello to Plump Up Age Defying Anti-Wrinkle Gel. Now this product I discovered thanks to my mom. It has ashwagandha, grapeseed and fennel. And this one product will not just plump up your under eye area, but it will also take care of your fine lines. It suits oily to combination skin again. That means a lot of you out there, if you have skin type like me, then this is going to suit and do wonders for your skin. It also, since it has a gel-based consistency, I love how easily you can work it up onto your skin, and it doesn't have or leave behind any residue. Just as the name suggests of the next product, Sanface Saniglow Pack, this is ideal if you want to have a all-in-one pack that takes care of skin hydration, nourishment, but also takes care of your fine lines, your pores, and takes care of mature skin too. Then this is going to be your one anti-aging face pack that also adds instant glow to your face. I've seen amazing results, so much so that every time I've used this, Salman eagerly jumps and sits right next to me, and he's also loved it. So I would say like all their products, this is unisex. Men too can easily go ahead and use it. And Salman and I dropped at the juice store together. He picked out his favorite and I picked out mine. So he picked out the Kurgi Coffee Handmade Bathing Bar and I picked out the Kerala Coconut. Now these are 100% handmade, and I feel like coconut is such an important ingredient in Ayurveda. It has been for so many ages, and it has natural fats, healthy fats and vitamin E, which means it's going to automatically keep your skin nourished, moisturized, and it is naturally known to take care of so many skin problems like dermatitis and eczema. And it also has such beautiful deep cleansing properties. It takes care of moisturization, hydration, deep cleansing, and more importantly, it has antifungal and antibacterial properties. Next up are my favorite and go-to Ayurvedic lipsticks by Just Herbs, and I actually have tried and tested and reviewed all of their lipsticks, but these two are my personal favorites, and I feel like out of all of them, these two I keep reaching out for more because these are my everyday go-to colors, and these suit and complement so many amazing Indian skin tones out there. I love the formula. It's so lightweight also, and more importantly, why I love these is that it doesn't dry out my lips. Absolutely swear by it. The first product that you see me swatch here is called 1-2 shade Akshi, which is a medium nude brown, and the second shade is 1-6 Nikita, which is caramel medium brown. All you get is clean formula with Ayurvedic products. So this next product is called Marigold Mango Lip Contour Balm, and imagine this. I'm a big mango lover. I love Harpo's. I live for Alfonso's. So when I saw that this beautiful saffron colored flower marigold meets my most favorite fruit, which is the king of fruits, mango, what better way to try out this product than this? And it has some amazing benefits for your lips. It has a buttery formula. It really makes your lips silky soft. So this was it, guys. This was my most awaited Just Herbs shopping haul come review video and first impressions of some of the products that you saw here. I cannot wait to take you through all the amazing content that is lined up for you all, from travels to beauty to skincare and so much more. If you want more such videos, then please click the link below, give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and also before you go, don't forget to check out all the products that you see here in the description down below. I'll try and put all the links so that it's easier for you to go and check it out for yourself. Also, the really sweet team of Just Herbs have provided me with a shopping code. The discount code is called Shifa15. You can use this code at their store, online, and you get a flat 15% off. So enjoy shopping, guys. Until next time.